Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your own Discord account for free so that you can start using Discord. Coming right now. Hey guys, so the step number one is to go to discord.com/login. Then uh, go down here to see and need an account, register. So click on register, then enter your email ID, then give it a username, and then make a password. Select your date of birth, and then click continue. Click I'm a human, and there we go. You have your own Discord account set up. Now you can take a look at your Discord account, and you need to click here, recent. Then open a new tab, go to your Gmail, and look at your mail that do you have a verification code. Yes, we have a verification code, and we have to click verify email to verify your account. Click on continue to Discord. And there you go. You have successfully verified your account and you have a fully fledged account ready. Now click on this add server button and click on I have an invite join a server if you have an invite, or you can create your own server. But that's a topic for another video. Until then, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and hit the like button so that I know that you are enjoying my content. Until my next video, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Enjoy your day.